Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a simple kind of dice simulation. So like you're able to get like the numbers from 1 to 6. So it's like practically rolling a dice. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna run the program. Okay. As you can see here, I get the number 1. So I can even replay this. So I'm gonna click yes. And yeah, I get the number 6. So let's get started. Click on File, create a new project. I'm gonna name it Rolling Dice. Create. I'm gonna create a new Python file. I'm gonna name it main. Okay, so first we have to import again the random module because we're gonna need a random number from 1 to 6. Okay, and I'm going to print just some simple welcome statement for the user. So welcome to rolling the dice. Okay, now we want to have two separate functions. One is the main function where everything will be happening, all the main stuff like getting the random number and printing the statements. And another function is to restart once once like the user has gotten the number, then like they can restart if they want to. So I'm going to focus on main first. I'm going to put dice equals random.ran in 1 and 6. So I'm going to get a random number from 1 to 6 and assign it to this variable called dice. So then I'm going to just print the number that the user got on the dice. So I'm going to say the number on the dice is, and I'm going to put dice, which is, so whenever whenever main is called, first a random number will be chosen, and then it will print a statement to the console. The number on the dice is, and the number that was chosen here. So after this, we want to restart. So I'm going to put the restart function. So now we have to work on the restart function. So first, I want to get a user input from the player. Do you want to roll the dice again? So they can either input y/ and yes or no. And I'm going to check if replay equals y, then we want to do main again, so restart the entire thing. Elif replay equals to n, which means no, they don't want to replay, then we just say quit, so the program will just quit. But what if I enter, let's say, the letter T? Okay, so I have to check for that too. So else, I'm going to print, please enter a correct input, and I'm going to run this function again so that I can get the input. So basically, if I was just to run this, let me show you, nothing would happen because I'm not calling either of these functions at all. So I'm going to create a while loop. So while true. So as long as true is always true, we're going to run whatever underneath this. So while true, main. Now this should work. So if I run this again, see, it's working perfectly. The number on the dice is 6. And if I want to roll again, I can click Y. I'll get number 5. So if I want to quit, N, and quit. So that is how to make a simple dice rolling kind of game, I guess, in Python. I'll put a link in the description to my GitHub page where you can download the project. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time, cheers!